Hi, I'm Joan, the Crepe Queen, and today I'm going to show you how to make perfectly golden crepes. I'm going to start with some European butter, and I'm just going to brush the pan lightly. Do not put in too much oil or you'll have a greasy crepe. Now, the other day we made the perfect batter and our Vitamix, very elastic and nice. I like to pour it into this OXO measuring cup, 4 tablespoons. And today I'm using my De Bouiller blue steel pan. I've had this for almost 40 years. It holds up beautifully. I'll pass it on to the kids and the grandkids. And very simply, I'll pour my batter in the center, a quick pour right in the middle, and then round and round I go. It's all in the wrist. Now, I teach crepe cooking classes at Whisk, a cooking school here in Cary, North Carolina, and I've often noticed that my students will sometimes hit their crepes. Maybe they do that with their pancakes, but you never want to do that with a crepe because this is the most delicate of all pancakes. That's the first step. Let it be. Let it be. Now, I've noticed a little bit of a lacy pattern in here, so I'm going to just fill it in a little bit with my leftover batter and just fill in those holes. Now, give it a little switchy switch because I like to get even heat distribution. I'm looking for a dry top and golden edges. It's getting there. We've got about 10 more seconds to go. Now I say to my students, you can peek, but you cannot poke. So let me just show you how you do a peek. I'll look for a golden edge, and I'll take a look underneath. That is looking good, very golden. So I'm going to give it a real flip. How beautiful is that? Nice golden color, perfectly round. I'm going to give it about 10 to 15 more seconds to cook. That's all it needs, because actually when you're flipping it, it's already cooked. So let's go ahead now. And I like to flip it upside down. And the reason for this is quite simple. I'm going to be filling the less attractive side and folding so that this gorgeous golden side is on the exterior. So that's it. It's super easy to make perfect crepes. And I hope that you will follow me, subscribe to this channel, because we've got some exciting events coming up. In our next show, I'll share tips and tricks regarding spatulas and measuring cups. And next Tuesday, we're going to make ganache. Thanks for sharing the kitchen with me, and I'll see you soon.